Hello, welcome to today's podcast. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the most famous and beautiful cities in the world, Istanbul. Istanbul is a very special city because it is located on two continents, Europe and Asia. Yes, that's right. Half of the city is in Europe, and the other half is in Asia. This makes Istanbul a city where you can experience two different worlds at the same time. Isn't that amazing? Istanbul is also one of the oldest cities in the world. It has been home to many different cultures, civilizations, and empires. Today, it is a modern, busy city with millions of people, but it still keeps its rich history and traditions. In this episode, I will tell you about some of the most famous places to visit in Istanbul and share some interesting facts about the city. One of the most famous places in Istanbul is Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia was originally built as a church by the Roman Emperor Justinian in the 6th century. Later, it became a mosque, and today, it is a museum. Hagia Sophia has beautiful mosaics, amazing architecture, and a rich history. People from all around the world visit Hagia Sophia to admire its beauty. It is one of the most important landmarks in Istanbul and a symbol of the city's long and diverse history. Another famous place in Istanbul is Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace was the home of the Ottoman sultans for more than 400 years. It is a huge palace with many rooms, gardens, and courtyards. In the palace, you can see the imperial harem, where the sultan's family lived, and the treasury, which holds precious objects and jewelry. The palace also has a beautiful view of the Bosporus Strait, where Europe and Asia meet. Next, let's talk about the Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque is one of the most famous mosques in the world. It was built in the early 17th century and is known for its blue tiles, which decorate the walls inside. The Blue Mosque is still a place of worship, and many tourists visit it every day. It is located near Hagia Sophia, so you can easily visit both in one day. One of the most beautiful things about Istanbul is the Bosphorus. The Bosphorus is a narrow waterway that connects the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara. It divides the city into two parts, the European side and the Asian side. There are many beautiful views of the Bosphorus, especially from the Bosphorus Bridge, which connects the two sides of the city. You can also take a boat tour on the Bosphorus to see the city from the water. It's a wonderful way to experience Istanbul. Another interesting place to visit in Istanbul is Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. It has more than 4,000 shops, selling everything from jewelry to carpets, spices, and clothes. If you love shopping, the Grand Bazaar is the perfect place for you. It's also a great place to learn about Turkish culture and traditions. Istanbul is also known for its delicious food. One of the most famous dishes is kebab. Turkish kebab is made from grilled meat, usually lamb or chicken, and served with rice or flatbread. You can also try baklava, a sweet dessert made of thin layers of dough filled with nuts and honey. If you visit Istanbul, make sure to try some of the local dishes at a traditional restaurant. There are also many beautiful parks and green areas in Istanbul. One of the most famous is Gulhane Park, which is located near Topkapi Palace. Gulhane Park is a peaceful place where you can relax and enjoy nature. It's a great place for a walk, a picnic, or to enjoy the view of the Bosphorus. In conclusion, Istanbul is a city that has something for everyone. Whether you are interested in history, culture, shopping, or food, you can find it in Istanbul. The city's unique position on two continents, its rich history, and its beautiful landmarks make it one of the most fascinating places to visit in the world. If you ever get the chance to visit, You will surely fall in love with Istanbul. Before we end, I have a question for you. What's your favorite place in Istanbul? Have you ever been there? Or is it somewhere you want to visit? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this podcast if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and follow me for more episodes. Thanks for listening.